Hello, welcome to Soontrue exhibition hall. I'm Yula. Today I'm going to introduce our pre-made pouch packing machine for you guys. This model is our GDS210B with 8 workstations. The material is stainless steel and controlled by servo systems. Now I'm going to introduce how does it works. This is our bag storage. The size of the bag storage is changeable, so we put bags in here. The section will give the bags to the first workstation, which is bag feeding. When the machine turns on, the second workstation responds to print the date of our package. Then this is bag opening. In these procedures, we have the detect to test whether the bag is opening successfully or not to prevent the waste of our materials. And then our hopper will drop down the materials to the bags. These procedures also have material test. Here is 2 empty workstations support customized. For example, this is nitrogen filling required by our customers. And then we come to the 2 sealing parts, heat sealing and cold sealing, to make sure the packaging looks perfect. After all procedures, our products will come out through this output conveyor. Okay, this is today's introduction about our machine. If you are interested, please contact.